Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to talk about the 80b's video streaming and audio quality. So the first thing to note is the fact that the 80b takes quite a while to actually load video. What you'll find is it actually freezes on the previous screen until it has enough memory free to actually load your video. And that's obviously not the best and pretty disappointing, but when it does stream, the quality is actually really nice and crisp. Really good colours, really good detail. It only streams at 720p, but quite honestly, it looks great. So moving on to the audio quality, unfortunately it's not very good. It sounds very tinny, very weak, lacks a lot of warmth, and basically isn't very good. So when it does finally get its arse into gear and load up that video for you, unfortunately it's let down by the audio. But what do you guys think? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and liked it, please do give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.